Hi kids, I'm Ethan from Katydid Photography. If you're anything like me, you like to use your cell phone to take photos. But if you want to go the extra mile and get glorious shots, why not try owning a DSLR or borrowing one from your mom or dad? But how do you use a DSLR? Well, one of the things you want to be sure of is that you can see sharply through your camera's viewfinder. To do this, I'll show you how to adjust your eye diopter to your viewing pleasure. It's pretty easy, but a lot of people don't know you can do this. Let's find the wheel or slider next to the viewfinder window where your eye looks through. Close one eye and look through the viewfinder with the other eye. If this task is difficult for you, keep trying to close one eye only, even when you're not looking through the camera, and you'll soon get the hang of it. Push down on the picture taking button, aka the shutter, only halfway, and the lens will focus the picture for you. Next, you're going to turn the wheel or use the slider to go up and down till the image looks sharp to your eye. Remember, this is only adjusting so we can see sharply through the camera. Here's one thing to remember. If someone else uses your camera and changes the diopter for their eyes, you will have to readjust it. Otherwise, it will always be set for your eyes. Once again, I'm Ethan from Katydid Photography. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more content.